In this video, we'll be showing you how to insert a Nintendo Switch game card. This will work for the Nintendo Switch Lite, the regular one, and the OLED. So, taking your game card, you're going to want to locate the game cover, which is on the top right-hand side of your Switch. Now, there is a little lip here that you can slip your thumb under and kind of crack it open. And then once you do that, you can then gently pull it out. And this will give you enough room to insert the game card. So, with that cover now open, we can take our game and then make sure that the Nintendo label is at the top and that it's facing you. And then once that is set, you can go ahead and slip it into the slot that is underneath that cover. And then you can push it in until it clicks, letting you know that's been locked into place. The screen should also turn on, indicating that it has received the game. So we can go ahead and open up our Switch. You can see that little blue icon there indicates that a game card is being read inside the device. And for some added security, we'll just go ahead and close that cover. Now, to remove the game card, it's also very easy. You're just going to pop open that cover again, and then locate the game card and gently push it in with your finger. A spring should then push the game card out towards you. You can also check on the device. That little square box that was blue before is now going to be transparent, meaning that there is no game card being read by the device. And that is how you insert a Switch game into a Nintendo Switch. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.